In this video, I'm going to show you how to clear all cache and junkie from Windows 11 and 10. So using shortcut or command prompt. So here, you can clear more spaces on your Windows computer by deleting all files in the cache or in the junkie folder. So if I download this video, you found this video helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now the first thing you want to do when you want to clear all your Windows 11's junkie and cache is press the Windows plus the hard button on your computer at the same time. Then type CMD to open the command prompt, just like this. So let me put this here. Type CMD to open the command prompt, and then click on OK. Then you should see the command prompt open like this. Now in the command prompt, you need to type this particular command to open your Windows cache and junkie folder. Just type clean mgr, that is clean manager, and then click on the enter button. Once you hit the enter button, you should see a pop-up here, this pop-up. Now in the pop-up, you see you can use disk cleanup to free up to 338 megabytes of disk on C. And you can see I have the download program files, temporary internet files, Windows error report and feedback. I have DirectX JIT cache, and then the rest of them, including thumbnails. Now in my recycle bin, I'm not having anything. Then go ahead and select all the files you want to delete here. So select everything. The total file, you should see what you're gonna clean up here, and this is about 338 MB. Now go ahead and click on fill files to fill all the selected files. So this is empty, that is my recycle bin. Then select these files one after the other to see whether you actually want to clean up this file. So let's say the first file is this internet temporary. Click on that and click on fill files. Then if there's anything here, you're going to see it, and then select the other files, DirectX cache. Then this is not viewable. Then select other files and see whether I can view them. So whether I can view them or not, just go ahead and select all these files here, and then click on clean up system files. Then you should say this again. Clean up is calculating how much space you'll be able to free on your disk. So this depends on how bulky the space is on your Windows computer. So this may take a few minutes to complete. Just hang on. Now this is what I have. You can see no critical file used by Microsoft Defender. Then go ahead and click on the OK button. Delete files. You can see the disk cleanup utility is cleaning up unnecessary files on your machine. Now hang on for this process to complete. Once the process is completed, the disk cleaning hub device will clean up unnecessary files on your Windows computer. Now if you repeat this process again on the command prompt, then enter, when this comes up, you discover that you no longer have any files to clean here. Now if you have any other files again, just come back here and select them, then click on clean up again, and you should see the disk cleanup files trying to delete unwanted files on your Windows computer that is taking up space on your Windows computer. So just hang on for this to complete. This might take a couple of seconds in your case, and here all we have here now is the temporary internet files, and that's about 45 point something MB. So this is probably not deletable. Then once everything is set just like this, go ahead and click on the more option button. There you can see you can free more space by removing program that you not use. So if you hit this will be able to uninstall program on your computer that's not being used for a couple of time. So just click on OK once you're done doing this. Now delete files, then wait for this to complete again. You need to repeat this process until all the selected files on your Windows computer are cleaned up. So the time for this is dependent on the files and how bulky the file is. Then once that is exited, on the command prompt, just type exit and hit the enter button to close it. There you go. So this is how you can easily clear all junkies and cache on your Windows computer. So if this is helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.